Put your hands up. You. Fill the briefcase.
So you shot two innocent people just so you could raise the money for your vision of equality?
I don't remember.
In hypnosis, you can set locks in the mind. Nielsen has cleverly implanted a code. It could be a sign, a memory, a voice.
Can we find another way to break this lock?
You get to manipulate and use me if you let me to do the same to you.
Concentrate on my voice. 5.
Are you spying on me?
4.
He knows I'm your wife.
See, he's manipulating you.
3. All of your feelings are erased. 2. 1.
We're trying to help you.